What's up, cloud enthusiasts? Welcome to Technology Tuition. Today, we're talking about Amazon EBS, Elastic Block Store, the storage backbone for your EC2 instances. Hit that like button and let's get started. Amazon EBS provides block-level storage for EC2 instances. Think of it like a hard drive for your cloud servers. You can attach EBS volumes to EC2 for databases, applications, or file systems. It's persistent, meaning your data stays safe even if your instance stops. EBS offers different volume types, like SSD for speed or HDD for big data. You can resize volumes on the fly and take snapshots for backups, which are stored in S3. It's also highly available, with 99.99% uptime, and supports encryption for security. Plus, you can detach and reattach volumes to different instances. Running a database like MySQL on EC2. EBS gives you fast, reliable storage. Snapshots let you back up your data or clone it for testing. It's also great for enterprise apps needing consistent performance. That's EBS, flexible, durable storage for EC2. Try it out and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe for more AWS tips.